Welcome to our educational video. In this video, we will introduce a system-level widget called Popup Message Box. This pop-up widget allows users to create a dialog box for interaction. This widget is initially invisible in your HMI design. It only pops up once triggered. Let's bring in this widget. This message box needs a title. You can specify title with a register or use the plain text array table. In the button configuration, there are 3 operation modes for the message box. The first 2 modes are predefined, and the third mode is a customized mode. In the customized mode, the dialog box is fully customized, and the returned value is based on the index assigned in the plain text array. In this project, we choose the OK, Cancel mode. We need to bind 2 registers. One is the trigger register and the other one is the title register. This widget allows behavior setting before opening and after closing the pop-up message box. In this project, we want to set the behavior after closing the message box. We then add a button to trigger the pop-up message box. Once we press the button, the pop-up message box shows up. In the message box, there are 2 buttons, OK and Cancel. These 2 buttons are predefined as we set it up. When we press OK, the box disappears. On the other hand, when we press Cancel, the box reappears. These behaviors are the same as we set it up. Thank you for watching. ADE